Recently, researcher at the Koi Security reported to Google that almost dozen of malicious extension with 1.7 million download in Chrome Web Store could track user, steal browser activity, and redirect to potentially unsafe web address. And you won't believe most of the extension are tools like the color picker, VPN, volume booster, and emoji keyboard. These extensions are verified with hundreds of positive reviews and featured prominently on the Chrome store, misleading user about their safety. Now, some of the extensions are removed, but many of them are still available on the store. Alright, so here is the list of all the extensions. Please check them and remove immediately if you have on your Chrome browser. And I'm pretty sure that you might have installed any of these extensions like Color Picker by Eyedropper, Emoji Keyboard Online, Free Weather Forecast, Video Speed Controller, Unlock Discord, Unblock TikTok, Volume Max, Unblock YouTube, VPN, and Unlock TikTok. So it's highly recommended, guys, that if you're using Google Chrome with a lot of extensions, then bring up your Chrome browser, click on the three dot at the right and top, hover upon extension and click on Manage Extensions. This will display all kind of extension you have installed, and you have seen all kind of extensions blacklisted on your screen. If you want to take a screenshot, recheck them, and if you have installed any of these extension or related, then kindly go ahead and remove them. And according to the researcher, the malicious code was not present in the initial version of the extension, but was introduced at a later time via update. So it means in the beginning, there was nothing malicious in the extension, but later when it got popular, many downloads were done. Probably some kind of infection or malicious was being added during the update. Even Google Auto Update system silently deploys the newest version to user without requiring any user approval or interaction. And given that some of these extensions were safe for years, it is possible that they were hijacked, compromised by external actors who introduce a malicious code. So overall, it's not guaranteed that the developer only have introduced the malicious code. Probably it has been hijacked or compromised, and the people, the heroes who just hijacked, they introduce the malicious code. But for our safety, it's really recommended to you guys that if you are having any kind of extension, go ahead and remove them right now. And that's all, guys, for today. Hopefully this information will surely help you to keep your browser and your computer safe. And for such more related videos, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you on the next video. Bye-bye.